So today, me and wifey out and about. It's Friday right after work. Getting close to 6. This place out here called Pix. Actually, we about to get on the boat ride. So we're gonna hang out. Check this place out. It's pretty. Go ahead, bro.
Well, just quickly, the history was that the lakes were all separate, but the Native Americans used them to portage their canoes across. And then, as time went on, they needed the water for the Ohio and Erie Canal. So they dammed, they put one or two dams, and then used the water for the canal for 100 years almost. That's how
you allowed to fish on it?
Yes. It's a good bass fishing lake, but there's also other kinds of fish. If you see people along the edge, they're usually for bass. But out in the middle, they're bluegills, crappie, catfish, the other things you might expect. So I come out here, I've done over 500.
Is that right?
Really?
Yeah, I got my first boat when I was 20. So it's a lifelong love of mine to just be out on the boat.
My brother.
That's awesome.
And then he built that house out. It's got 16-foot ceilings.
That is beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
You're looking at $3.5 million house.
Oh yeah, I like that.
They said it was absolutely beautiful inside.
I can imagine.
Because the owner, I was driving the boat, so I dropped my people off and then back out, but I got to talk to the owner.
Really?
And, yeah, he was a real interesting guy, as you can imagine. He's been a builder his whole life.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Just incorporated every detail that you want in a nice house.
Wow.
The
Yeah,
love
that's
house.
really nice.
That one was just redone. It was on the tour of homes last year.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's beautiful.
Yeah, every summer out here in the third Wednesday in July, there's what they call a tour of homes. Their houses for tours.
Ooh.
And
I
then
can
people
live out
pay.
here.
I know.
I can live out here. You want to
got it, he got
loan
it.
me $400,000?
Right.
I'll get back to you.
Okay.
Right. Yes. Wow, this is nice. 4? You
Insane.
said 4? Yeah.
Well, they don't have boat access or dock access.
So relaxing.
Oh, wow.
The price has been discounted too.
Really?
It was 500.
Oh, we need to check that one
It
out.
was
Zillow.
2,500,000. It's been discounted down to 2,300,000.
2 million? Oh, let me put my phone down.
That was 2 houses.
Yeah, they put it together.
Yeah, it's like 7,500 square feet with the combined houses.
7,500 square feet.
Oh wow!
It's 2.5? Yeah, that's a
It's
steal.
only 2.5.
Yeah, and that's a
That's
steal.
right, Jack.
That's a steal.
2.25.
Right.
Wow.
This
How
is
many houses you could buy in Akron for $2 million?
quite a few.
Yeah.
Quite a few.
Or that one.
Or that one, right.
This is East Reservoir. This is man-made, and it's one of the two what they call activity areas. So right now they're allowed to speed in here, but there's also time set aside for skiing.
Oh, I see them.
Oh, okay.
Right now it's speeding time. Reunion this year, and it was the whole house and yard and everything.
Oh,
Yeah, I can imagine.
And they had a band playing and just everything you could think of.
Yeah, we definitely would need that.
It has 7 bedrooms, 12 bathrooms, gourmet kitchen, media room,
Wow.
6-car garage.
Wow.
Yeah, there's 2 on the lower level and 4 on the other side is actually the front of the house. We're looking at the back.
Back of it.
This is all stuff on lake house.
Yes.
And then they go to Arizona for the winter, or Florida. Well, we sit on the turkey foot, it's 160 feet.
It's you.